Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you a trending effect on TikTok called the tennis machine effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is basically a game where you have a tennis racket in your hand and you're supposed to hit the ball. Now let me show you how to play the game. Open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Discover tab. Search for tennis machine. It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it and browse through all the videos made by other users. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. The screen will change into a tennis court. You'll be wearing a headband, and as you move your hand, you'll see a tennis racket following your hands. Go ahead and press start. The game and the recording will start at once. See if you can beat your friends in this TikTok tennis machine effect. And there you go, that is a trending effect on TikTok called the tennis machine effect. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.